In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your financial tasks using Zoho Books via Chrome. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or simply looking to enhance your efficiency, this guide will walk you through logging in and navigating all the way to running comprehensive financial reports. Let's start by logging into Zoho Books. Open Google Chrome on your computer. In the address bar, type in the Zoho Books URL and hit enter. You'll be directed to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be welcomed by the dashboard, the hub of your financial operation. The dashboard provides a snapshot of key financial metrics like income, expenses, and cash flow. Spend a moment exploring this overview, as it's instrumental in giving you real-time insights into your business's financial health. Now, it's time to set up your company details and configure your financial settings. Locate the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol, and click it. Here, you'll input essential information about your business, such as its name, address, and the financial year start date. Accurate setup ensures that all your financial records are aligned correctly. Don't forget to explore other settings like default currency and tax information, which will align your platform with business operations seamlessly. Next, move on to entering customers, vendors, and products. Head over to the contacts section to add new customers and vendors. This step helps streamline billing and purchasing processes. When entering details, think of this as building the backbone of your transaction system. Enter names, addresses, and any relevant notes that might aid communication or negotiation down the line. Similarly, under the item section, list your products or services. Accurate product entries make future invoicing more straightforward and reduce errors. Creating invoices is the next critical task we'll cover. Navigate to the sales section and select the option to create a new invoice. Choose a client from your contacts, specify the due date, and list the items they're purchasing. Review for accuracy before you finalize and send it. Efficiency here creates smoother cash flow and enhances customer satisfaction. Managing expenses and bills is equally vital. Head over to the Purchases tab to record any expenses or bills. This might include entries for office supplies, rent, or utility bills. Timely and accurate record keeping of expenses ensures meticulous financial tracking and helps in managing budgets effectively. Bank reconciliation is our next stop. Go to the banking module where you can link your bank account. Once connected, you can reconcile your statements with the transactions recorded in Zoho Books. This process pinpoints discrepancies, ensuring everything aligns perfectly in your financial records. Finally, run comprehensive financial reports. Within the Reports section, generate summaries that will give you insights into different aspects of your finances, from profit and loss statements to cash flow forecasts. These reports are invaluable for making informed business decisions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering Zoho Books and optimizing your business's financial management.